Let's make mini dogs and cats with me. Cut 2 4 cm small cakes as a base. Trim into a head shape. Squeezed with cream. Scrape the cream roughly flat. Squeeze out the bulging part of the cheek. Use a brush and shaving knife to create a fluffy feel. You can refrigerate it first, to prevent the cream from being brought out during finishing. If you want a thinner feel, just tidy up with a brush. Start being the cat on the head. The gills should also feel bulging. Brush on blush. If you don't want the blush to be too heavy, just a little more brown hair color. Just put on blush and facial features and you're done.